Today we have the 2018 Mercedes-Benz Vito Tourer. This vehicle has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 9 seats in total, all of which are full black leather. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, navigation, smartphone integration and hands-free calling. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera. Just below we have our AC,